Hello class, Mr. Jen here. Here's our vocab, and I have my exploring hat on. Alright, take a look at the vocab here. We'll go over it together and then move on to the assignment, and we'll go over that briefly. Alright, circumnavigate means to completely go around something, such as the world, pictured here. A conquistador is a Spanish soldier that conquered people of other lands. Allies, those who support each other for a common purpose. Smallpox, a disease that causes high fever and often death. We'll learn all about smallpox. An ambush is a surprise attack. Hostage is someone held against their will in exchange for something. Plantation, a large estate or farm that uses enslaved people or hired workers to grow and harvest crops, typically a cash crop, which is a crop grown in large amounts to be sold for profit. Here's cotton, but cotton was not the original cash crop. Mercantilism, an economic theory that depends on a greater amount of exports and imports going into a country in order to build up a supply of gold and silver. It's all about making money for the home country. We'll talk about that in detail. Commerce is exchange of goods, basically business. An entrepreneur is one who organizes, pays for, and takes on the risk of setting up a business. So if your mom or dad or whatever owns their own business, like Chuck's Auto Body or, Mama Blue's Pawn Shop or whatever, entrepreneur. And the cottage industry is a system for making goods in workers' homes, sort of the pre-industrial revolution way things were made in England. Alright, let's check out the assignment real quick. It's your option assignment. Oh, I found a funny meme with Columbus. Siri, take me to India. Get it? Because then he travels and finds the Americas instead. Siri gives you bad directions. Alright. So once again, I'm giving you a choice on how to do this. You can either write the 10 separate sentences, being sure to bold those vocab words for me, or you can write a story or a poem or whatever, something creative, using 5 words, being sure to bold them. No hack jobs on the stories, like 3-sentence, stories with all 5 words shoved into them. It's ugly and not original. Also, hey, fun fact, we're starting chapter 21 on February 21. I love it when a plan comes together. You'll note that I turned on the media recording so you can record yourself doing your story or your sentences if you so please, and I will tell you a vast majority of you don't, but those that you do, usually impressed and give you a bonus point. So there you go, easy bonus points if you do a recording, just for funsies. That's it. We'll get started tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if you need anything.